This tutorial addresses using Excel 2007 to create some graphical analysis, just some visuals. This particular one is for what Excel calls column charts, or what most commonly are called bar charts. In Excel, column charts are the bar charts that run vertically rather than horizontal. They consider bar charts to only be the horizontal version. But we have our data down here, some summary data of, we have 10 automobiles up here. We know what kind of fuel each one is preferred. We have 2 that are premium, oh, there, 3 that are premium, like 6 that are regular, and 1 that is diesel. And I've summarized that data into this table down here. We're actually going to use this data to create our column chart. So if I highlight my categories, premium, regular, and diesel, and my counts, and go up to Insert, there we find our column chart. All of our choices, there's line, pie. Bar charts, again, are the same as column charts, only they run horizontally rather than vertically. We're going to do column this time. And lots of different varieties of using cylinders, boxes, 3D, 2D, cones, all kinds of different representatives, but they all do the same basic effect. So I'm going to just take the basic one, and as soon as I click on it, it comes up, and sure enough has put my titles automatically in the bottom. Premium fuel, 3 vehicles, regular fuel, 6 vehicles, diesel fuel 1. Now it says series 1 over here. That really doesn't add much value, so I'm actually going to click on that legend and then hit delete to get that out of there. Also need some titles, maybe on the x-axis, the y-axis, and then an overall chart table. So we'll go over here to Layout up on the top, Chart Title, and we have some options. You can center overlay, which means it'll float over top of the image. I'm actually going to put it above the chart so it doesn't overlap on top of anything. So my chart will be vehicle count by fuel type. Just a descriptive title. Tell us what's going on in that. And now let's go over here to axes titles. Horizontal axes, which of course would be your x-axis. And I'm going to put the title below. And this one is fuel type. And go back in, and we'll put in the horizontal axes as well. Axis title, vertical. And we have some options. Rotated title means that the words will actually be rotated onto their side. Vertical title, display axis title with vertical text, and it squeezes the chart over when it does that, or horizontal. Well, horizontal would really push it over. So we're going to use one of these two. Let's go with the rotated title. So it turns the words onto their side, and I can just click in the box and use my edit functions to enter it, and this is going to be vehicle count. So how many vehicles have each of those fuel types? There we go. Pretty good and quick finished product with titles on the y-axis, the x-axis, and a nice title up top, and my 3 categories listed. I can also click onto the columns themselves and then right-click and do add data labels, and it'll actually show the counts that are represented with each of those. You can fool around with some of these options. You just right-click and format data labels, and you can try some different options in that.